Welcome to Weitai Transmission Company Product Online Introduction. I'm Elisha Chen, Global Sales Representative. I'm very glad to give you a short guide of our company product. As you see today, we're gonna have two series of product as SFS series and SFK series. Both screw is one of key components in CNC, laser machine, automation, positioning design. It would be inside of robots or any production with accuracy, high-speed motion needs. Okay, now on my hand is SFS series in diameter 12 millimeter. Special part of this series is to, okay, let me get the clear focus. Okay, to reduce the noise at high-speed motion in the modern machinery construction is also concerned about control the noise, not only for reduced cost of the vibration, but also reduce the dB for total production line performance. That's why SFS been designed and created. For explanation about technical part, you can require a data sheet from us. And for this film purpose, actually, I want you to take a closer look of the detail of the machining, because it's really everything finishing a detail, and because we have to protect the material under the oil, so you may have some glossy reflection, but it will not affect for how I show the detail part. You can see this surface. And this glove actually very slim. If there any sharp part, then it just will cut through, but you can see how delicate it is. Yeah, it's a material description I will show on the screen, but we can see how it's smoothly rolled. Okay, this is a ground ball screw sample. Okay, next one we're gonna move to SFK series. As you see, SFK series is micro ball screw type and is special in size and precision. What we have these two are in 8 millimeter diameter. It means this part. Okay, and the moving lead depends on the requirement. Of course, we have this sample in different body shape. Okay, longer can make more sustainable, stable. But if your designs have very limited on the distance, of course you have to choose the shortened bodies. And so SFK most using like semiconductor, medical robots, any small high-speed movement needs this kind of design, and Weitai Transmission made this serial in a very friendly price in the required quality. And so we can just as well take a very close look. The difficult part of this series is on its precision, not only on the machinery part, as well how they're assembling everything together. Because like even we use G10 ball, and you know how small it is. It's under 0.8 millimeter as well. Look, when I turn it, yeah, and I can do bigger motion like this way. Okay, so it have to protect under fat. So anyway, we'll see some like glossy reflection, but it don't affect you to see the surface. Each detail will be cared. So because why I need to make so close look of the things, and you can see and I touch in front of you everything, you know, even these things. It's accuracy make. It's just a PVC globe, so if any sharp of iron you would cut through directly, you can see just nothing happen. So that's what I want to represent to you. So good things. Because we are now new for most of customers, they always question us about quality, stability. As my responsibility, it's necessary to explain each thing about what we are, what our method in detail, and then you would have understanding mentality or our creations. We had ISO 9001 certifications, material history record, procedure, innovation, patent registration, and so on. We are introduce ourselves to you, and if you are interested in more news from my channel, please subscribe it, and I will publish about once a week. Thank you very much. Stay tuned. Okay, I can show you another one. Okay, this one. Like, I can make extra focus.